What's that?
That was one of the seats. This is my first canoe, and it's my favorite canoe. I've held on to this canoe with the idea that I would rebuild this canoe. I could fix this canoe. Because you know, I hate throwing stuff out because I think I can fix it, or I try and fix it at least. And I need your help today. Today I want you to tell me or help me figure out how to fix this canoe.
Help him.
Ready? Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork. I got this canoe from my neighbor. I traded him a camper top from a pickup truck. You know, just the regular top that you can put stuff in.
Yeah.
I traded him a camper top for this canoe. And when we first got it, it was in okay shape, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good. It floated.
And the first time we took it canoeing in a lake nearby here, for me, it was a transcendent moment. But it was just like, it paddled really nice. It just glided on the water. And we got this canoe for free. We're in a state park right near the house here. And I'm like, this is the coolest thing in the world. We're just paddling around. It doesn't cost us anything.
Cost you a camper.
Well, I didn't need the camper top.
No.
But now this canoe has kind of gone downhill.
Aged.
Yes. We replaced it with another canoe.
What's under that canoe?
But that canoe, it's great for what it is, but it's like a family beginner. It's like paddling a barge, really. And I've always wanted to fix this one up, but there's a problem.
What's the problem?
This is a fiberglass canoe that I fixed up with some pieces of wood and stuff, and the wood finally rotted out, and the last pieces of the fiberglass gunwale or gunnel are fading. The seats fell out entirely, but the shell, the bones of this thing is still here, and I think I can fix it. So what I need your help with is, do you know how to fix canoes? Or maybe even if you don't, you have some ideas on how to fix it? I think we need wood here. We need to make seats. I want this canoe to paddle again. We're not gonna be able to do it all in this video. We'll make a series of videos about building this canoe, fixing this canoe. But can you help me? Can you make the canoe better?
I think it needs a vacuum.
I'm wondering what Charlie is going after over there.
I know. Charlie, that's not what this episode is about.
Let me show you something. That's where the transcendent moment happened. First time on the canoe, and I was like, this is beautiful. So this is why I want to fix the canoe.
What's that?
That was one of the seats.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think we can make the seats fiberglass again. We could make them out of wood, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, do you store this thing outside?
I've had it kind of protected, but let me show you one idea I do have for repairing. Okay? Come on. Charlie, come. So the camera operator's been wondering what this bundle of sticks is, right?
Every day.
Let's go. So my thought was, I've been collecting these really long pieces of
Sticks.
like 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, put them in here, get rid of the old wood, put this new wood in here, but I would have to but glue together with like a lap joint or something, several of these, because this is a 16-foot canoe. But then this would go here, right? but we would have to have several of those on either side of the edge of the fiberglass here. And then we could build some seats and a front and a back, a bow and a stern again. But that was just one idea I had. And that's where you guys come in.
You don't seem to have a shortage of sticks to use.
Well, I'm a bit of a stick hoarder. So, because if we don't use them for this, we can burn them to make our maple syrup. Videos about that if you want to watch those. But I'm also not coming from a background of no boat building experience, because right over here,
Or like in the boat cemetery. This boat. Woo!
this is the first wooden boat I ever built. It's one of my most popular videos still. It floats. This one I'm not going to be able to fix.
You want to flip it over? Wonder what lives under that.
I don't want to flip it over. All right, let's go back to project boat. So, will you help me? Will you let me know how I should repair my canoe? If you want to watch some more of Eric's videos, perhaps the plywood boat, the first one, should be some floating over here. But let me know in the comments here. Hit the pause button, make some comments. How can I fix this? You might know more than I do. You probably know more than I do.